Okay guys, I am going to explain what is the meaning of overlap in gasoline engines. What is the meaning of scavenging in gasoline engine? What is the purpose of the scavenging in gasoline engine for strokes? Keep the combustion chamber as clean as possible to produce a good explosion during the ignition and eliminate the amount of contaminants in order to create a complete combustion. We are going to refresh what is the meaning of overlap. We are going to check again the 4 strokes. In intake, the intake valve open and the piston is going down. Gasoline engine, and allow that gasoline and air enter. No? Immediately the piston reaches the bottom of the center, what happened with the valves? Both of them close. And the piston goes up, and use the piston a little before the piston reaches the top of the center. What happened? The spark plug spark, produce the explosion, and send the piston faster down with both valves close. And what happened right now with the cylinder? The cylinder is full of gases, smoke. Okay, and now the piston goes up. Which valve open? Exhaust. And the piston push out gases. Just before the piston reaches top of the center during the exhaust, the intake valve open and allow that fresh air enter and push the gases out, and the piston finish the trouble and complete the cleaning of the combustion chamber. Then the exhaust valve close, the intake valve stay open, and the piston start to go down to fill the combustion chamber again with intake with the air and gasoline. That moment that both valves are open for a little period of time before the piston finish the exhaust stroke and use the beginning of the intake, that moment is the overlap time. In that moment, the fresh air push the gases out and clean the combustion chamber. Not all the engines have overlap. However, the diesel engines, all of them, they have overlap. The 4-stroke diesel engines, 4 strokes, right. The diesel engines, they have overlap. It's a moment before, at the end of the exhaust and just before the intake. In that moment, both valves open and allow that the fresh air push the gases out.
So it's just built into it.
Yeah.
You can't even, yeah. It's just,
no, the engine is designed with overlap.
And I got a question about this, like the sport mode. If you put it in, so you think it'd be bad for a car if you put it into sport mode in the middle of you driving it because you're making an adjustment?
No. This is designed.
It's designed to take
for dummies and ladies and.
Okay, and and also, when that intake valve opens a little bit while it's going up, is it opening the same amount it opens up on the intake time, or does it open up a little bit?
It's a little less.
It's a little bit
less. It's the amount enough to push the gases out.
And then it opens up full. Yeah. It opens up full when it goes
After
down.
that, when the piston starts the intake, the valve open more.